Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while. I've had a lot of technical difficulties with my camera. I was having terrible memory card issues, and then I got Gonzalo to fix it for me, and he literally fixed it within like 5 seconds. I'm so sorry my hair looks like complete garbage right now. That's kind of what this video is about. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys my current hair care and skincare products that I really like right now. So I guess we'll start with hair because there's less hair products to talk about. So I wanted to talk about this because it's drugstore. I don't use high-end products on my hair. Mainly because it's really expensive and I just don't have the budget for it right now for a really expensive hair care products. So this is what I'm currently using. So I don't do a hair mask, but I really am trying to grow out my hair. I am taking hair, skin, and nail vitamins. You can get those over the counter. I use Nature's Bounty. They're the gummies with 2 times the biotin inside. So you probably won't be able to see it, but when you get new hair, it usually grows in the front, and it'll be these tiny baby hairs like these that you can see. So I've been taking those for about a month because I did start having some hair thinning issues in the front of my hair. So that's working really well. So for shampoo, I use the Aussie Miracle Waves shampoo. I like using these because it's not so harsh on my hair. Like I can feel how my hair is gonna come out after it dries, after I rinse out my shampoo. So this is Aussie has a bunch of these out right now, different kinds. I use the Miracle Waves one. This is the one with Kakadu Plum, yeah, if I could read, plum and Australian hemp seed extract. This is paraben free. I've been using this since I moved out actually, so for a couple months. What I did notice is that I don't really have that much dandruff with these, and it does actually make my hair pretty soft. I am a frequent hair washer. That's just really how I was brought up. My mom washed her hair every day, and she always washed my hair every day as a kid. So it's just kind of how it is. Like this is second day hair and I'm already touching it all over the place because it doesn't feel clean to me. But I really need to train my hair to at least like every other day to get some oils onto my hair, because my hair gets really oily, but that's because I don't let my scalp soak up its natural oils that it produces. I keep washing my hair. So I'm currently in the training process. It's the second day and it's driving me crazy. But yeah, so this is the shampoo that I'm using currently. I will link it below for you guys to check out. I also have the conditioner. For the conditioner, I use the Miracle Moist to really lock in moisture for my hair. So this is with avocado and the Australian jojoba oil. This is super good conditioner. I love when I rinse this is another problem I have off topic. Well, on topic, but in a different direction, is that I always used to put conditioner on my scalp because I felt like I needed my whole head to feel really silky smooth, but that's another way to get less oily hair so fast, is to just do it on the ends of your hair from like here down, nothing on the scalp. So I'm really trying to do that too. And I've also been keeping this on the ends of my hair in the shower while I do everything else. That way it really soaks in its moisture. So there's that. And then recently I love getting out of the shower and putting in like a detangling spray or like a leave-in type of conditioner. See how you can see it's like so oily? You can see that it likes to stick. You can really see how my scalp cuts right there when I part my hair. So I know Pantene is not ideal. I know that. I really know that. However, this is the Gold Series from Pantene. This is the Leave-On Detangling Milk. So I am in no way putting this on my scalp at all. Don't come for me. I know this is bad. I've heard Pantene is like the shittiest shampoo you can use. So I know, don't come for me, I know. But it's infused with argan oil and I really like argan oil. So I did really want to try this. So it says detangles, softens curls, easy for styling, for natural transitioning or relaxed hair, blah, blah, blah. Sulfate free, dye free, and tames frizz. I heard the tames frizz and I was like, yes, please, let me just try that. Please, let me just try that. So it says start with damp or dried hair. I always do it damp. If I put anything on my hair that is a wet serum, not just like a spray, and my hair is already dry, my hair is gonna be pushed. Products are so heavy on my hair when it's dry that I just can't if it's dry. I have to use products if it's wet. So first of all, this is what it looks like. Gold Series, just like this. So it says start with damp or dry hair. Apply 2 pumps to palm, rub between palms and emulsify. Smooth through mid shaft to ends. Begin to finger comb. So basically once you get out of the shower, just rub it through your ends, pull out your ends, and then you can brush your hair. Once evenly distributed, use a wide tooth comb to fully detangle, then style. So I don't style it. I am a night showerer. I like to wash off the day. So that's what I do. I don't style it. I just leave it in and I comb it through and then go to bed, wake up, and then I style my hair. I let it air dry overnight. So I sleep with it wet. Don't come for me for that either. I just do, okay? But yeah, this has been pretty good so far. Not terrible. So we'll see how that goes. Next is the most important part of this whole video, my current skincare routine. So I'm gonna make a separate video on this one product that I'm gonna show you because it's gonna be linked with a bunch of different products. So as far as cleansing my skin and doing things like that, the first thing that I use in the shower is soap and water to wash off my makeup. I do all that with regular, just plain unscented soap and water. Really wash it off. I haven't had good luck with like makeup remover wipes. They always irritate my skin, and I have combination skin and sensitive skin at the same time, so I'm really trying to work on my redness. So I'm just really staying away from makeup remover wipes, and I'm just sticking with plain soap and water to wash off all my makeup. And then I go in with a cleanser. This is the Murad Resurgence Renewing Cleansing Cream. So this is what I use to wash my face in the shower, if it would focus on it. There it is. So funny thing about this product, I'm gonna do a whole other video on it, but I'll give you a little blip. This, as you know, I always mention my budget. It is not a budget that I can just go splurging on Murad. Okay, like Murad is like $500 to me when it's $40 for this thing. Okay, so this retails for $40. on the website and at Ulta. So I actually found this at TJ Maxx and I was like, oh, I would love to try this, but it's just like not in my budget. Like I can't do it, right? So I went and I looked at the price and I was like, holy crap, no freaking way, right? And I'm looking and I'm like, there's no way. This cost me $9.99 at TJ Maxx. $9.99. So the thing about TJ Maxx is that they just get random shit thrown on their shelves and they shove a price tag on it, is basically what I get out of TJ Maxx. Oops. So I was like, okay, I have to try this. $10 is totally in my budget for a cleanser because that's what it is at the drugstore. It's about 10 to 15 bucks for a cleanser. So that's what I did. I grabbed this guy. I've been using this for like almost a month. I can't tell you how much my acne has actually cleared up because of it. And I'm like completely shocked at that. And I don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out of this, because I hope TJ Maxx has another one for me to buy. Because this thing is great. It is the Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream. This is so good. It doesn't burn my skin. It doesn't make it red when I get out of the shower. It's so good for sensitive skin. So if you have a TJ Maxx near you, or if your budget is in line with Murad and you can spend 40 bucks on this guy, highly recommend it for like completely just like changing your skin, like getting rid of redness, getting rid of acne. This is a really good thing, and it doesn't have any of those beads in it, so it's not an exfoliator. If you're looking for exfoliator, this is not it. This is just a cleansing wash, but this is really good. So that's what I use in the shower. When I get out of the shower, I use this guy. This is the First Aid Beauty Anti-Redness Serum with Antioxidant Booster. Helps skin look calm, revive visible redness, relieve visible redness, and reduce the appearance of flare-ups. Safe for sensitive skin. So this is what this guy looks like. So this is also gonna go in another video in conjunction with this guy. So I'm gonna read you the back. It says, first, Fab's Anti-Redness Serum contains caffeine and sulfur to help reduce the appearance of unsightly redness. Aloe and Bisabol work together to soothe, I can't read, in case you're wondering, I'm not a reader. Okay. Soothe flared facial skin, antioxidants booster. Natural botanical blend completes the picture by helping to protect skin from free radical damage. Apply a thin layer over entire face. So this is just a pump. As you can see, it's just like a regular pump. But yeah, so I use this right out of the shower. Another thing that I've been trying, but not so much because I saw very mixed reviews, but I bought it anyway. This is the Smashbox, the Mindful 5. This shit smells like straight tequila. Like, legit, it smells like straight tequila. I almost just vomited. Like, this shit smells so bad. But, so it's called the Mindful 5. It's a dropper. Like, this is a straight dropper. But it has cannabis hemp seed oil, primer oil complex, red algae, green tea, and a prebiotic. It's a nourishing face primer serum. But I did read that you can use it for like an overnight like rejuvenating serum as well. I've only used it once, and then I saw reviews that it made everybody's sensitive skin really red and patchy and not a whole lot of fun. So I'm really scared to continue to try this, even though the first time I tried it nothing happened. I'm scared that the more I use it, the more it's gonna hurt my skin. So that's only for sensitive skin though, that I've seen. Everybody else with like regular combination, normal oily skin, they absolutely love this, which is why I wanted to try it, because I have combination skin, but I'm also super sensitive, so I'm really scared. But the first time I used it, I literally woke up and my skin was like glowing, no redness, nothing. So that's why I haven't thrown it away yet. So I'm just gonna keep trying it. So we'll see. I'm thinking about using it just like once a week type of thing, and we'll see where it goes. After that is a drugstore product. This is the Aveeno Absolutely Ageless Restorative Night Cream. This has Blackberry Complex and I think vitamin C and E in it. So this is the Restorative Night Cream Moisturizer. This is what this looks like. I love this so much. This though is a drugstore product. However, it's $18 at the drugstore. And I don't know if you can spend $18, but it's $18 and it's really good. Last but not least is this Cover FX Rose Quartz elixir mist. I just spray this right over top. This is just like a illuminating spray. This is what it looks like. You can't even read it because it's such small print. And then the very last thing that I use is for my lips. This is the Aquaphor Lip Protectant Plus Sunscreen, repairs and protects SPF 30. And that's what that looks like. You can also get that at the drugstore. But yeah, those are all the products that I'm using on my hair and face right now. I plan on doing like a 3-month follow-up, I guess, from all these products to see where I'm at from today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you liked it. Comment down below if you want to see anything else from me. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.